Yeah, good evening, Sahiti.
Good evening, ma'am.
Are the other students also joining the class, Sahiti, if you have any idea?
Mom, Manisha ma'am just kept the message to join the class.
Okay, so just wait for 2 to 3 minutes, na? Let the other students also join the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Just let me know, Sahiti, that is your syllabus been completed or you are left with some chapter?
Ma'am, in physics and chemistry, we're done with the portion. Like the previous ma'am completed it.
Okay. So the only thing that you are left with is the revision part only, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. How many total students are in the class that joined the class basically? But how many students are there in your class so that I can get to know that whether all the students have joined or not?
Like 7 or 8, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because 4 has joined. So let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes more. When you will be having your exam?
My exam started today. I had science today.
Today is science exam. Today
Yeah,
was.
I had.
Okay. So how was it?
It went good only. I got a couple questions wrong in chemistry, but everything else went well.
All right. Okay, let's start the class. Huh? So the chapter that we are going to revise today is basically the motion in physics. Okay. So if I ask you that what do you understand by motion, that according to you, what is motion basically? Anyone?
Movement.
Motion means movement. Okay.
Force upon acceleration.
Yeah. Force upon acceleration is what? It is mass, beta.
Oh, right.
Right? Force upon acceleration is mass. It is not the motion. Okay. In motion, basically, if something is moving or some the movement is there, so we can relate that this is related to two things. Either it can be related to that we are covering some distance or we are having a displacement. Correct? So if I ask you that what is the difference between distance and displacement?
And distance is the total, like, length of the actual path covered by the body. Displacement is the shortest distance between its start position
Yeah.
and end.
So distance basically we can say that total length of actual path. Correct? And displacement is basically shortest distance between initial and final position. Okay. If I ask you that can distance and displacement be zero?
Yeah, ma'am. If you can cover a distance, but your displacement can still be zero.
Yeah. Final position. So first we will do the questions related to only these three concepts, that what is motion, what is distance, and what is displacement. If I ask you that what is the formula for distance?
Speed into time.
Yeah, speed into time. If I ask you that, do you know that about a vector quantity?
Yes, ma'am. Vector quantities are basically, they have magnitude and direction. Scalar quantities have only direction.
Okay,
Sorry,
so
only
distance, magnitude.
magnitude.
So distance is a scalar or what?
Distance is scalar. Displacement is vector.
Uh, Sahiti and Venkat, you are not answering, na? And what about displacement?
Ma'am, that's vector.
That is a
Yes,
vector because it
vector
depends
quantity.
on the position. Beta, all of you have to answer. Be active in the class, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So my first question from you is that you have to answer is, a farmer moves along boundary of square field. And its dimensions is basically 10 meter. And he moves along the boundary of a square field in 40 seconds. So what will be displacement?
Ma'am, the displacement is 0 and the distance covered
Distance
is
is
40.
40 meters.
Speed would be 1 meter per second.
But my question is not at all completed.
Oh.
What will be the displacement at end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? My
Okay.
question is this one. Have you got the question?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have a square field that is having a side 10 meter. A farmer takes 40 seconds to take a round. Then what will be the displacement at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds?
$20 meters, ma'am.
No, the displacement will be.
20 meters.
No, it
No,
won't be 20. It will be root 200. Now you can simplify that.
Ma'am,
exact.
the square field side is, ma'am, what
10
I
root
understand.
2?
See.
Ma'am, is it 10
How
root 2?
Ma'am,
if you say that total time that you have to take is 2 minutes and 20 seconds, correct?
ma'am, it is
If I
140.
convert it into seconds, that it will be 140 seconds, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
I am having a square field, this one. If I
Yes, ma'am.
start from A, like one round I take in 40 seconds. It means
Yes,
3
ma'am.
rounds will be completed in 120 seconds.
Yes, ma'am.
It means after 120 seconds, my displacement will be 0. Correct?
Ma'am.
Now, next 40 minutes. I am completing a
20
complete
seconds.
round in 40 seconds. Then half of the round will be in 20 seconds.
Yes,
Means
ma'am.
I will be at position B this time.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, initial distance be what? It is distance this one.
Yes, ma'am.
This is 10, this is 10. Applying
Okay.
Pythagoras theorem. So AB square will be equal to 10 square plus 10 square.
Root 200. Got it, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ma'am.
AB
10
will be
root
equal
2.
to
If
root
my
200
calculation.
meter. Who answered this question?
Ma'am,
Priyam,
Priyanka.
Ramada. Very good. Is this clear to all?
yes, ma'am.
All right. Now my next question is, we will do the revision in this way only, like 1-2 concepts we will discuss, and then related to this we will discuss the questions. Okay.
Okay.
Which of following is true for displacement? Either it cannot be 0. Is it true?
False.
False, because displacement can be 0.
Yeah.
Its magnitude is greater than distance traveled by object.
False,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it can't be greater. It can be less or equal to.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Or
So
it
this is also false.
can be 0.
Correct.
True.
Correct? So this is my correct statement. Okay. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Next concept that we have is, what is uniform motion and what is non-uniform motion?
Ma'am, uniform motion is when a body covers specific, like, what do you say, a specific distance in like a given time, and non-uniform is when it covers like non-equal distances in the given equal time. I forgot the exact word for it, but it's
Equal distance
in equal time and unequal
in
distance
equal
in equal
interval
time.
of time. Suppose say, if I start from point A and I traveled to point B and the distance between them is 1 kilometer. Okay. After B, I started and reached C. Again, distance is 1 kilometer. Here I take 20 seconds, 20 minutes. And to reach from B to C also, I take 20 minutes. So I can say that I am covering equal distance in equal time. Clear? If I say that A to B I moved, then B to C is suppose 2 kilometers. A to B is 1 kilometer. Here I am taking 20 minutes. So for the 1 kilometer, I am taking 20 minutes. For the 2 kilometer, I will take 40 minutes. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So I can say that I am covering equal distance in equal interval of time. For non-uniform motion, I can say that unequal distance in equal or unequal interval of time. Suppose say if I started from point A and reached point B, then point C. Now suppose my distance here is 1 kilometer. Here I am having 200 meters upon say. Here I took 20 minutes. So accordingly it should be 4 minutes. But here I have taken 5 minutes. Okay. So I can say that this is a non-uniform motion. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The next concept that we have is
डॉग मीट और ग्रास खाता है डॉग मीट और ग्रास खाता है
क्या?
डॉग मीट और ग्रास
हाँ.
खाता है और बियर क्या खाता है
Next we have a speed. What is speed basically? Speed is the
Distance
distance,
covered in a
in
specific
unit
time.
yeah, in unit time. Traveled in unit time. Because we know that distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Correct? Agree?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if my time is unit, then I can say that distance is equal to what? It is equal to speed. क्योंकि जब ये time 1 हो जाएगा, then it is equal to this one, ना?
Yes, ma'am.
That's why. Speed is a scalar quantity. Again, we
Yes,
have two
ma'am.
types of speed. One is uniform speed and other is non-uniform speed.
Is it uniform and non-uniform velocity?
Yeah. Basically, for the velocity, the concept of direction also comes. But in case of speed, you don't have the concept of direction.
Yep.
This is the only difference between speed and velocity. Uniform speed is equal interval in equal distance in equal interval of time. And for non-uniform, unequal distance in unequal interval of time. Correct? Now we have a velocity. What is velocity? It is basically distance traveled in unit time in given direction. Now you have mentioned the direction also. Correct? Are you getting my point? So as we have the formula for speed is equal to what? It is equal to distance by time. In case of velocity, we have displacement divided by time. Distance get converted into displacement in case of velocity. That's why we can say that velocity is what? Velocity is a vector quantity. आ रहा है समझ बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next we have units. For the speed and velocity, we have the same units. अगर हम देखें velocity, it is displacement. Displacement we always measure in meter, kilometer, centimeter. Correct? And time we can measure if we are taking meter, then time should be in seconds.
Seconds.
If we have kilometer, then it should be in hour. And if we are having centimeter, then time should be in seconds. So these are the 3 units for this speed and velocity that we use. Okay. Now in case of speed, we can say that equal, like A से B हमने move किया and B से हमने C move किया. So no particular direction has been given in this case, but for the velocity, my direction changes. Suppose in the initial case, I am moving this way, then I move this way. Now velocity has been changed because I have changed the direction. Correct? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So I can say that if the direction is changing, so in case of velocity, we have one more concept, that is the average velocity. That is equal to basically initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2, or the average of two velocities gives us the average velocity. Clear?
Yes.
Now you have first question related to these concepts, that you have to distinguish between speed and velocity. What is the difference between speed and velocity?
Velocity has direction, speed doesn't, has only magnitude.
Correct. And next one, speed cannot be 0, but velocity can be 0, because if the displacement is 0,
Yes.
then your velocity will be 0.
For a given
Yes.
uniform speed, velocity can always change. Velocity can be constantly changing.
Correct. Clear a question, or do I need to write the answer?
Clear, ma'am.
Venkat, Nanika, Sahiti, do I need to write it, or you have got it?
Got it.
All right. Second question is, under what condition the magnitude of average velocity is equal to average speed? When your average velocity will be equal to average speed?
When you're going in like the same direction in like you're
See,
not changing your direction.
average speed is what? Total distance divided by total time. This is your speed now.
Yeah, ma'am, that's what I'm saying. When you're going in a straight line, when your distance is equal to your displacement.
Yeah. And velocity is what? It is displacement divided by time. So if your distance equals the displacement, then you can say that the average velocity will be equal to average speed. So when distance equals displacement, because it is only possible when we are moving in a same direction. Correct? Is this question is clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is, you write down the questions also in the class?
I mean, no, not really.
Okay. You don't write the notes in the class?
I mean, they're mostly like running notes, like we take down whatever we think is important, I guess.
All right.
Ma'am, usually for like something like revision, we usually don't have to.
All right. Revision, you go like this way or any other way you use?
Ma'am, usually we didn't start revision yet for this year. We complete all the chapters and then we start. So we had just recently completed the chapters, and then our teachers had come. Like some teachers took holidays in between, so like not fully.
Okay. So whenever in between you have the revision, so it is like this way or any other way you use?
Ma'am, like we didn't have any specific revision in between. This is not as per school. It's as per the syllabus that they do, because we start these classes way before school starts.
All right.
We start these classes as soon as ninth grade is over. Like I
Okay.
mean, eighth grade or the previous grade is over.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Next question is, what does the odometer measure?
Ma'am, the speed.
Yes, ma'am. The instantaneous speed, the speed at any instant.
Then what does the speedometer measure?
Oh, right. Odometer, sorry, it measures the distance the car is
Yeah.
measured, and speedometer is the speed.
Correct. So it measures distance. Okay. Next is, what is the path of an object look like when it is in uniform motion?
Ma'am, the path is continuous and doesn't have any breaks in between.
Yes.
Yeah. So
It's
path
straight.
is a straight line path.
Straight line path.
Path is straight line path, we can say. Is it clear to you that why it is a straight line path?
Ma'am, because the velocity does not change.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next is, during an experiment, a signal from spaceship reached ground station in 5 minutes. What was the distance of spaceship from ground if signal travels at speed of light? That is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now solve it.
माँ, मेरी ना 1 महीने की
Ma'am, is it 9 into 10 to the power 10?
Correct. Others, please solve. You also solve this question.
Ma'am, 1 second. I'll be back in 2 minutes, ma'am.
Yeah.
One 1.5 into 10 to the power of 8, ma'am.
1.5 into
10 to the power of 8.
no,
1.5 into 10 to the power of 9.
no.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 9 into 10 to the power of 10, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you have got this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Nanika,
How, ma'am?
have you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am, I said 9 into 10 to the power of 10.
Venkat? Venkat? I think he's not there. Yeah. So the first thing that you have to do in this question is basically the unit conversion. We can see that speed has been given to us in the units that is basically meter per second, correct? The unit for this one is meter per second. So we have to convert our time in seconds also. So if we convert the time from minutes to seconds, then how much it will be? This seconds, correct? So it will be 300 seconds. Now we have to calculate the distance. We have speed and we have time. So we know that distance is equal to what? So distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. So we will have speed multiplied by time, and that will be equal to 9 into 10 to the power 10. Distance, the unit for distance we have is meter. Got it? Everyone got this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we are doing only these concepts. Just go through the above one that we have discussed. Have a quick revision of this one. We will do only speed and velocity today. Acceleration we will do today, tomorrow. Just have a quick revision of this.
Ma'am, are you going to revise it or we should just read it?
No, you have to just reread all the concepts that we have discussed today. Whenever you done the page, then let me know. I will scroll it down.
Ma'am, you can scroll. Ma'am, you can scroll. It's a question. Ma'am, you can scroll. Ma'am, you can scroll.
Are you all doing this one? Or only Nanika is doing?
Doing, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you can scroll. Okay, ma'am, you can scroll.
Nanika, you are too fast. Let the
Ma'am,
other students also give the time to do, na?
it's just reading it, right, ma'am? It's not that hard.
Yeah, that is good, but okay.
It's
No issue.
general. I'm reading pretty slowly, ma'am. I read a lot faster than.
Okay, but it seems like that you are not giving the time to the other students.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. They were
No
not
issue.
listening.
No issue. It was just, na? Don't take it seriously, huh?
Uh-huh.
You can take it as a compliment also. Can I scroll it down?
Sure, ma'am. The rest are only questions, right, ma'am?
Yeah, we have discussed this theory. No, answers are also written over there,
Yeah.
like?
I meant like question answers, not
Yeah,
concept.
yeah, definitely.
Okay, ma'am.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
So those who have completed, they can leave. And if you
Okay.
have doubt in these two topics, then you can ask.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Those who have completed, they can leave. Venkat, Nanika, and Sahiti. If you have completed, then you can leave, beta. Venkat, Nanika.